You just spent hours hauling heavy bags of mulch, only to watch your prized trees slowly suffocate and die. Mulch is supposed to be your garden's best friend, but one wrong move can turn it into a silent killer. Welcome to the Don't Do This Guide, where we help you avoid the gardening mistakes that hold you back. If you want a lush garden with less effort, hit that subscribe button. The first major mistake is creating what experts call a mulch volcano. This happens when you pile mulch high up against the trunks of your trees or the stems of your shrubs. Piling it high traps excessive moisture against the bark, which invites disease, rot, and pests right into the wood. Instead, always pull the mulch back a few inches from the base of the plant to let the trunk breathe. The next issue is dumping a massive 6-inch layer of mulch all over your flower beds. A layer that thick acts like a giant sponge, stealing all the rainwater before it ever has a chance to reach the roots below. Keep your mulch layer to a sweet spot of just 2 to 3 inches thick. This provides the absolute perfect balance of moisture retention and healthy airflow for your plants. On the flip side, leaving large patches of bare soil completely exposed to the hot sun is just as bad. Bare soil dries out rapidly and creates the ultimate runway for aggressive weeds to take over your garden. Applying a modest layer of mulch acts like a comforting protective blanket for your garden beds. It keeps the root systems nice and cool while naturally blocking out pesky weed seeds. Another trap is grabbing the cheapest dyed wood chips at the store without thinking about what your soil actually needs. Low-quality dyed mulches can sometimes leach unwanted chemicals and actually tie up essential nutrients as they break down. You will get much better results by choosing a natural, organic mulch like shredded hardwood, pine needles, or rich compost. These natural options will slowly break down and actively feed your soil with brilliant nutrients over time. You might also be tempted to toss fresh mulch directly over an unweeded bed, hoping to quickly smother the mess. Unfortunately, those strong, established weeds will easily push right through your expensive new mulch and look worse than ever. Always take a few extra minutes to pull those weeds by the roots before laying down your beautiful new top layer. Setting a clean foundation makes your garden look incredibly tidy and saves you hours of future weeding. Finally, never pour brand new mulch directly on top of last year's hard, crusty mulch layer. Old mulch can form a solid, matted crust that completely blocks vital water and oxygen from getting down to the roots. Just grab a rake and gently fluff up that old, compacted layer. You might discover that simply breaking up the crust revitalizes the bed, meaning you don't even need to buy new mulch at all. Mulch is an incredibly powerful tool, and applying the right amount in the correct way will completely transform your soil's health. There you have it, the key things to avoid when dealing with mulch. If this video saved your plants, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below on which mistake you've been making. See you in the next guide.